Well, here we are at Nauranga station, and I'm out with Simon. Say hello, Simon.
Hello, Simon.
Which is, it's a cloudy day in Wellington today, you know, but it's still fairly mild. Looking out over towards the harbour there, and we're coming round. Excuse the window. And there's the Inter-Islander ferry coming in. I can't quite see which one it is. Looking over towards the airport. They're not looking too bad there. And then over towards Solms Island and Eastbourne. But all in all, not too bad a day, you know. And just say hello from me. Hello from me.
Hello from me.
And it's still working. So I'll see what it looks like on our journey into Wellington station, which is just a couple of miles away now. Coming around the bend, we'll be going parallel with State Highway 1. Getting a bird's eye view there. Oh, still a fair bit of traffic on the road. A bit quieter than it was at peak commuting time. Some nice houses up the hill there in Nauranga. Up the gorge if you fancy living on stilts. Signals of caution. Just coming into Kaifara station, which at the moment is closed because that footbridge that's going over, the girders that have rusted through, so it's in imminent danger of falling down. Which could be exciting for some people, but they decided, better not risk it. And not even for a biscuit. You can see that the red signals that we're approaching now, and then immediately behind them, up in the trees there, you can see what looks like a large cream-coloured house with a red roof that hangs precariously because you can see the support beams underneath. And no, I'm afraid I just would not fancy living in either of those houses. No, not with some of the earthquakes that we get around here. And even if they tell me that it's been earthquake strengthened, would you be living there, Simon?
Oh no.
Oh, come on. What was that freight job he stopped in front of us? Oh, bloody hell, how long is he going to be there?
It's not even moving.
Yeah.